Dig your first hole.
By planting trees in areas where there's a drain right here that leads into Trout Creek, so this area can't be cropped, and it's a perfect spot to naturalize, create biodiversity and habitat. Well, anything we do, as you see with the new report cards, that things we've done over the years help and improve the water quality. This project was funded by Environment Canada's Eco Action Community Funding Program, and we've also had funding from TD Friends of the Environment.
Nice and like the weather. Yeah, the weather's nice to do this.
Yeah, for sure. Have you done anything like this before?
Yeah, this is like our 4th time doing this.
Wow, wow. So you've been helping naturalize the Trout Creek watershed?
Yeah.
That's great.
We are enjoying planting the trees, great for the environment, nice to spend time outside, getting some fresh air and working together. So it's important for our class to learn to work together, and today they're doing a great job.
We are
planting trees.
Yeah. Okay. We are planting trees because there used to be a forest area here, but it was cut down to make fields, and now that's not being used anymore. We want to bring it back to its natural habitat.